Hi, this is Racha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna begin doing brioche stitch. I have now cast on stitches that I cast on, and make sure you have even number of stitch. We begin by putting the yarn in front of the needle, and we're gonna slip the first stitch like that, and then the next we're gonna knit 2 stitches together with the yarn in the front. This create a yarn over stitch. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the process by bringing the yarn in front, slip the next stitch, and we're gonna knit the next 2 stitches together again like that. So remember to bring the yarn to the front before you slip the stitch, and then knit the 2 stitches without bringing the yarn to the back. And after a while you will get a hang of it. Okay, so slip with yarn in the front, knit the 2 together, and you should end up with the K2 together. And then the following row you're gonna repeat the process. Yarn in the front, slip the first stitch purlwise. I have to remind you that slip purlwise, okay? And then we're gonna repeat again. So the first one, yarn forward to the front, slipped, and then knit 2 together like so. Yarn to the front, slipped, knit 2 together. Yarn to the front, not like that. Yarn to the front, slipped, and then knit 2 together. At the beginning is easy to miss a step, but if you keep repeating it in your head, that you put yarn in the front, slip, knit 2 together, and you will remember. Okay, again, yarn in the front, slipped, knit 2 together, yarn in the front, slip, knit 2 together, yarn in the front, slipped, knit 2 together. That's all to it, and then you keep doing this as many rows as you like, and then you will see it's gonna transform into these beautiful rib stitches looking the same on both sides. So I'm gonna keep doing mine until maybe like 12 or 15 rows, and then we're gonna come back and see the result. Okay. Here we go. Now we're back to see the result. I made about 12 rows, and you can see this is how it looks. And the front and the back are looking pretty much the same. So I am very happy with the result. So hope you enjoy making this, and let me know what do you think. Okay, and thank you for watching this video, and subscribe if you wish, and I always love when you subscribe and come back to see again. And that's all to it. Thanks, for see you next time. Bye bye.